The armored buggy Eskadron was developed by the Introl Consortium for the Russian Armed Forces. It is designed for tactical group transport, with a primary focus on reconnaissance and sabotage operations within airborne units. Specific information is limited. It is known to weigh approximately 3 tons and can reach speeds of up to 150 km per hour. It enables it to handle challenging off-road environments, while its low-temperature hybrid power plant allows for quiet and stealthy movement in extreme conditions. The Eskadron is armed with a 12.7mm cord machine gun and multiple Kornet anti-tank missiles for high-risk combat scenarios. To protect the occupant, it includes a single-seat armored capsule. The Rheinmetall HX military trucks are widely trusted by armies around the world, from the UK to New Zealand, with over 10,000 units in service. Their popularity stems from their versatility. These trucks come in various configurations, from 4x4 to 10x10, and are adaptable to numerous roles, including refueling, recovery, or serving as weapon platforms. But they truly shine off-road. The HX can wade through 1.5 meters of water without any preparation, thanks to its hydraulic pneumatic suspension, tires that are 1.3 meters in diameter, and engines delivering up to 680 horsepower. These trucks make obstacle courses look like minor bumps in the road. Let's move on to another amphibious vehicle, the DT-30PM. This tracked vehicle is built to handle rough terrain, salt marshes, swamps, and water. Yes, it swims. It reaches speeds of 45 km per hour on land and 5 km per hour in water. The DT-30PM's articulated design enables it to carry up to 30 tons of cargo to otherwise inaccessible locations. It can even cross ditches up to 4.5 meters wide, powered by its 800 horsepower engine. It goes where other vehicles simply can't. The hybrid Kaplan vehicle, featuring a new hybrid powertrain, marks a new chapter in military vehicles designed to meet the evolving demands of military operations worldwide. This is the vision FNSS upholds with its latest creation. Do you hear those engines running? That is what sets the Kaplan apart, its silence. Its defining feature is a hybrid diesel-electric propulsion system, combined with advanced software and electronic controls, making it perfect for the most hazardous combat and reconnaissance missions. The high torque of the electric motors at low speeds provides acceleration comparable to a racing car, delivering a significant advantage on the battlefield. Its low acoustic and thermal signatures render the Kaplan nearly undetectable despite its nearly 20-ton weight. The MZKT 7930 family excels in tough environments. In this video, you'll see it tackle difficult challenges such as steep sandy slopes, 35-centimeter obstacles, muddy terrains, and trenches up to 2 meters wide. The MZKT 7930 conquers all these obstacles without breaking a sweat. It even crosses fords as deep as 1.8 meters. Let's watch as it handles these demanding tasks. You'll notice its suspension has a travel distance of 26 centimeters, and this vehicle can cover 1,000 kilometers on a single charge, reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. The International Armored Group's JAWS APC made its debut in the United Kingdom at the International Armored Vehicles Exhibition and Conference. Notably, this vehicle is exclusively available to government, military, and law enforcement agencies, a testament to its reliability. This reputation is likely due to IAG's extensive expertise with over 2 decades of experience in manufacturing armored vehicles. Let's shift ours itself. This vehicle has become highly sought after by military and law enforcement agencies across the globe, proving to be. It is particularly renowned for safely transporting troops in high-risk conflict zones such as Iraq and Africa. Built on a heavy truck platform, the APC comes with a turbocharged diesel engine and a state-of-the-art system. It can be ordered in both right-hand and left-hand. The command KAMAZ 6350 is an 8x8 vehicle with 39 centimeters of ground clearance. It handles rough terrain even when roads resemble rivers and can carry 10.5 tons of cargo. If necessary, it can tow a 15-ton trailer. The KAMAZ 6350 can cross water up to 1.7 meters deep and handle ditches up to 1.4 meters wide. Additionally, it can clear obstacles up to 55 centimeters high, all thanks to its 360 horsepower engine and manual gearbox. But enough about the numbers. This is a vehicle meant to be admired for its proven reliability. Since 1995, UTV International's tracked vehicles have proven their reliability in harsh off-road conditions across the United States, Canada, and other regions. Among these, the Voyager D12 personnel carrier stands out, appealing not only to military personnel but also to those requiring travel in roadless environments. This articulated hybrid electric all-terrain vehicle is designed to transport 12 passengers. Its design emphasizes safety, with passengers seated in the front cab while the engine is positioned at the rear, reducing both noise and vibrations. The Voyager D12 has a top speed of 60 km per hour and can carry payloads of up to 5,200 kilograms. Built for extreme environments, it can operate in temperatures ranging from 49 to -48 degrees Celsius. Thanks to its fully sealed chassis, the vehicle can also travel long distances across rivers and flooded areas. Oshkosh Defense is widely recognized by military equipment enthusiasts, especially for producing the M1070 tank transporter used by the US Army to move the M1 Abrams. This tank is incredibly heavy, weighing up to 70 tons in some configurations. Other nations have also purchased the M1070 for good reason. It excels at difficult tasks, even when navigating areas without roads. It performs reliably in all weather conditions and on various terrains. One version of the M1070 stretches to nearly 10 meters in length. Each axle features hub reduction with a differential lock, and the tires can be automatically inflated or deflated, enabling confident driving through snow and deep mud. Additionally, with its specialized trailer, it can carry up to 80 tons of cargo. The largest shipyard for new vessel construction in Catalonia, Spain, presents the Arisa 4300 IPV coastal patrol vessel. This vessel can be built either from naval aluminum or entirely using composite materials. With an overall length of up to 40 meters and a displacement reaching 160 tons, the Arisa is powered by a robust 6,000 horsepower engine. Its autonomy and capacity allow it to stay at sea for 20 days with a crew of 20. Additionally, it features an 8-meter ramp for launching a speedboat and is equipped with both active and passive defense systems. This vessel serves as an optimal platform for various coastal missions, including patrolling, anti-piracy, anti-smuggling operations, troop transport, search and rescue, and private security tasks. The company continues to impress, and this time they're showcasing the Mission Master series. These are autonomous, unmanned vehicles designed to assist troops by transporting equipment, evacuating injured soldiers, and performing reconnaissance missions. To accomplish all this, they need top-notch off-road capabilities. The XT model, seen here, was tested in the harsh Finnish snow at -30 degrees Celsius and even managed to handle icy water. It performed admirably, even in autonomous driving mode. The XT's specifications complement its off-road prowess. It can carry 1 ton of cargo, travel at 5 kilometers per hour in water, and cover 750 kilometers on a single tank of fuel. This colossal aircraft can carry 6 mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicles or 5 helicopters, and it holds twice the cargo capacity of any other aircraft. Meet the Lockheed Martin C-5 Galaxy, the largest strategic transport aircraft in the US Air Force. Stretching 5 meters in length, and with a wingspan of 9 meters, the C-5 Galaxy has a remarkable legacy. Since its introduction, it has played critical roles, including supporting Israel's defense during the Yom Kippur War and aiding Operation Desert Storm. In a historic demonstration, a joint crew from the US Air Force and Lockheed Martin set 43 world aviation records over 3 flights from Dover Air Force Base in Delaware, showcasing the C-5's ability to revolutionize global air transport. The newly redesigned Tatra Force trucks now feature a lower cab and boast incredible off-road capabilities. They were impressive before, but check out how the latest Tatra Force tackles rough terrain with ease. It can even wade through water as deep as 1.5 meters. You can get it in configurations of up to 16x12, and even the Force 1R8x8 model can haul an impressive payload of up to 24,700 kilograms. If needed, it can be transformed into an engineering vehicle or even a mobile missile platform. It's fast, reaching speeds of up to 105 kilometers per hour. Truly remarkable. This list would be incomplete without the iconic BMW R75, produced for the German army between 1941 and 1944. This motorcycle and sidecar combination even saw action in the North African desert. Powered by a 745 cubic centimeter air-cooled two-cylinder engine, it produces 26 horsepower and can reach speeds up to 95 km per hour with a fuel consumption rate of 6.3 liters per 100 km. Initially, plans aimed for the production of 180,000 BMW R75 motorcycles during World War II. However, manufacturing ceased in 1944 after 16,510 units due to the design's complexity and high production costs. A few years back, a vehicle from Iveco caught attention at the International Defense Show. Much like Polaris, Iveco is deeply involved in creating military products, one of which is the Move, a modified version of the M40E15WM truck, which has been in service for 30 years, with over 18,000 units produced. Interestingly, Iveco offers the Move to both military and civilian customers with various configurations, including a mini bus capable of carrying up to 16 people. No matter the version, the Move features all-wheel drive and a differential lock capable of handling a payload of up to 4 tons. It can also ford water up to 650 millimeters deep without requiring special modifications. Right now, you are watching as Marines and sailors demonstrate the landing craft air cushion's capabilities along with other amphibious assault vehicles at Camp Pendleton, California. The focus here is on the LCAC-106, a next-generation amphibious assault ship recently added to the U.S. Navy's fleet. Its primary role is to carry weapons, cargo, and personnel to shore and across naval territories. The U.S. Navy's partner, Textron Systems, is expected to manufacture 11 of these vessels. While specific details are limited, the ship's top speed is known to be 50 knots, or approximately 93 km per hour. Did you know that Polaris manufactures military ATVs? They're quite popular with militaries in countries like the United States, Germany, and Latvia. Take the MV850 for instance. This ATV is built for rugged off-road conditions, capable of fording water up to 61 centimeters deep. Its suspension system is impressive, offering 229 millimeters of travel at the front and 260 millimeters at the rear. It also comes with terrain armored tires that require no air, allowing the vehicle to travel 1,609 kilometers even after being shot with an Alaska 47. Additionally, the MV850 features full underbody protection, a front bumper with a winch for difficult situations, and an ADC system that provides engine braking on steep terrain, ensuring a stable descent. Here's another personal vehicle for military use, the UBBCO 2x2's electric bike. With a 1 kilowatt motor in each wheel, it excels at handling wet roads and navigating corners. Its 3.1 kilowatt-hour battery allows the bike to reach speeds of up to 50 km per hour and cover distances of 120 km on a single charge. For added convenience, it offers ample cargo space, featuring a 12-liter center compartment and a 30-liter rear compartment, providing a total payload capacity of 150 kilograms. And yes, the UBBCO 2x2s is available for anyone to purchase, priced at $7,000. When you invest in the 8-wheel Trekkel Arctica, you're getting a true powerhouse. This isn't just any vehicle, it's the world's first wheel snowmobile capable of carrying a payload of 4 tons, or 5.5 tons when paired with a trailer. In Russia, operating it requires a tractor driver's license. But the Trekol Arktika isn't solely a cargo hauler, it can also transport up to 21 passengers. Under its hood lies a Yams 534 diesel engine producing 125 horsepower, paired with a classic mechanical 5-speed gearbox. What more could you ask for? Perhaps a lower price, as the Trekol Arktika currently retails for $171,000. Let's start with the Buran series of vehicles. You might be surprised to learn that these vehicles are made by a company that originally worked in aviation. But don't worry, these Burans only take flight on the roads, reaching speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour. What's really impressive about these cars is their modular design. For instance, a Buran can be transformed into an ambulance with space for 4 stretchers, or into a truck capable of carrying up to 10 tons. And even with all that versatility, they still offer solid protection. According to media reports, the Buran can keep its passengers and crew safe from a 6-kilogram explosive projectile from 80 meters away. Finally, we have a vehicle that's perfect for assault teams. The Inca Sentry Tactical Intervention Vehicle standout feature is a folding ramp, which allows rapid access to buildings, trains, or even ships. But that's not all. It can seat up to 10 people, is powered by a 330 horsepower diesel engine, and is armored to withstand rifle fire. Additionally, the manufacturer offers optional features like a siren and a PA system. The Eurocopter Tiger is an attack helicopter developed by the French-German consortium Eurocopter. It features a narrow fuselage with a 1-meter wide cockpit made of 80% polymer composites. The fuselage contributes to the helicopter's remarkable maneuverability, enabling it to handle forces ranging from -0.5 to 32 G, which improves its survivability. This video presents the ARH modification of the Tiger, customized for the Australian military, which operated 21 of these helicopters as of 2021. German and Icelandic armies also possess their own variants. Key characteristics of the Tiger include a top speed of 315 km per hour, a range of up to 800 km, and a ceiling of 4 km. The GMC Yukon Denali may appear like a regular vehicle, but it can be equipped with powerful armor upon request. This EUV can be reinforced with enough protection to withstand fire from an Alaska 47. Specifically, the experts outfit the vehicle with 6.2 mm thick armored steel, and the windshield, measuring an impressive 39 mm in thickness, is multi-layered for extra strength. Despite these upgrades, the SUV's steering remains largely unaffected, maintaining comfort for up to 8 passengers, thanks to its premium seating, multimedia systems, and climate control. The Arquus Scarabee made its debut at the Paris Air Show, which might seem unusual until you realize this armored vehicle can be transported by both aircraft and helicopters. In fact, it can even be airdropped using a specialized platform. The Scarabee is no slouch on the ground either, reaching speeds of up to 130 km per hour. It can also move laterally like a CRB, allowing it to avoid exposing its sides to enemy fire. This vehicle has room for 3 passengers plus a driver, and it's powered by a diesel-electric hybrid engine. Its swinging doors also provide extra protection for disembarking soldiers. Panhard introduced their Crab buggy back in 2012, and John Cockerill showcased their Cockerill iX in March 2022. Interestingly, both vehicles seem to have been designed with similar ideas in mind, as experts have noted their versatility, high speeds, and advanced technology. For example, the Crab features an unmanned turret, while the Cockerill iX has AI algorithms and specialized helmets. Both vehicles can be equipped with 25 or 30 mm cannons, though the Cockerill iX is faster, reaching speeds of 200 km per hour compared to the Crab's 100 km per hour. However, the Crab lives up to its name by being able to drive sideways. Which one do you prefer? NIMR. Based in the UAE, specializes in military wheeled vehicles and has a strong presence in the Middle East and North Africa. Among their wide range of vehicles, the Hafid stands out. It's a 6x6 armored medical vehicle. This vehicle can carry 7 people, a commander, a driver, a medic, and 4 patients, with 2 seated and 2 on stretchers. The Hafid can reach speeds of up to 100 km per hour and cover distances up to 700 km on a single fuel tank. Its standard armor is designed to defend against explosions and bullets. Moreover, the vehicle can be outfitted with enhanced protection for the fuel tank and other advanced defenses at the customer's request. The Yegu, developed by Israeli company Plasan, is a lightweight, fast armored vehicle based on the Arctic Cat Wildcat 410000 commercial motorcycle. Engineers at Plasan have equipped it with Stanag 4569 Level 2 protection, allowing it to withstand armor-piercing incendiary 7.62x 39mm rounds. The 3-person crew is safely housed inside an armored capsule, and they can respond to threats with a remotely controlled machine gun. Available in either 5.56 or 7.62mm calibers. Optionally, the Yegu can be fitted with a drone launch system, making it a versatile choice for border patrols, anti-smuggling missions, and special operations in urban environments. The UK is known for its distinctive approach to tank design, with its armoured fighting vehicles often regarded as unconventional. For example, the Challenger is the only modern NATO tank to feature a rifled gun. British designers also made unexpected choices with their APCs, such as the Saracen FV603. This wheeled APC, produced between 1952 and 1970, still attracts attention today despite only around 1,000 units being made. The Saracen FV603 was widely used, even finding its way to Indonesia. The APC can carry up to 12 people, including 3 crew members, and has a top speed of 72 km per hour with a range of 390 km. It's also equipped with 2 machine guns, one with a 7.62mm caliber and the other with a 7.7mm caliber. The Stena complex was developed with law enforcement needs in mind. Kalashnikov specialists managed to halve the deployment time, allowing the Stena to be set up in just 3.5 minutes to block aggressive groups. The barrier spans nearly 8 meters and its shape shifts as it moves, transferring the load to the vehicle's frame. The complex also features a blade capable of breaking through barricades and moving obstacles weighing up to 2.5 tons. Additionally, the built-in lights in the fence sections ensure efficient operation at any time of the day. The CB90HSM is a high-speed boat built by Saab. It's an upgraded version of the CB90, known for its quick and easy disembarking on rocky shores, and first introduced in 1991. Although the CB90HSM is still designed for coastal waters, it now comes with new features. Powered by 2 Scania diesel engines producing a combined 1,800 horsepower, it can reach speeds of 83 km per hour and travel 1,482 km on a single fuel tank. It can seat 21 people, including 3 crew members, and the interior has been fully modernized for comfort. The boat can also be outfitted with various weapons and electronics, including automatic grenade launchers, non-lethal weapons, thermal imagers, and laser rangefinders. Essentially, the CB90HSM has become faster, more agile, and better equipped for situational awareness. The Swedish Navy intends to keep using these boats until at least 2040. During Hurricane Harvey in September 2017, looters targeted both firefighters and police officers. Sadly, this wasn't the first instance of such behavior. This is why the Lenco Medcat G3 vehicle is so crucial. One law enforcement officer compared it to body armor due to its advanced ballistic protection and military spec steel components. But it's not just about defense. The Medcat G3 boasts remarkable off-road capabilities, able to drive through water as deep as 122 centimeters, which is extremely beneficial after a hurricane. Inside, there's enough room for 2 stretchers, onboard oxygen tanks, compartments for medical supplies, and a working area with suspension. Even in the absence of hurricanes or disasters, changing the tires will let you confidently navigate regular roads. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.